Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing theme sliders in PowerPoint using Morph transition. So let's begin. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use for your own purposes. So let's begin. First of all, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. So first of all, you have to open up a blank slide. The next thing you're gonna do is go to shapes. From here, we're gonna insert a rectangle in the middle of our slide and into the center of our slide as well. The next thing we're gonna do is remove its outline and then duplicate it about 5 times and select all of them and group them and then put them into the center in the middle of our slide. Select all of them and then we're gonna again put them into the middle and center and give them little spaces but equal spaces. Group them again and put them into the middle and the center of our slide. We'll select each of the individual shape and then we're going to go to form our background. Go to picture texture fill and insert an image of a member of your team and this rectangle, and then go to crop option to adjust the image so that we can see the face of the person of your team in the rectangle. You can use this crop option to adjust the image if you want. Similarly, we're gonna go to the fourth rectangle, give it a fill as well. And for the fifth one, let's just get an image from my file. So I'll just browse just down here that I can find a suitable image for it. This one looks just suitable, so I'll just use this one. Crop it as well. Next, what you have to do is just adjust all of your images. Next, we're gonna insert a text box on top. First of all, select them and then give them the shadow on the fifth number. Let's change the background color. I prefer to use different colors, but white will be white to use because it matches with all of our pictures. So we're gonna write our title and this template on top of these images. And then we're gonna give them this darker color, which is the colorless. We're gonna drag this image while we're just gonna expand it, make it wider, and crop the image and give it back its color. Next, we're gonna select all of these images and then group them and then put them into center and the middle of our template. Now duplicate the slide and we're gonna duplicate the first slide. Next, we're gonna put it in the last position and we're gonna resize our second image. We're gonna increase its size and crop the image. Give it its color back. And then we're gonna put everything into the middle and the center. We're gonna duplicate the first slide again, put it into the last slide again, and we're gonna expand and make wider the third image. We're going to decrease its size by crop option, and from here we're just recolor it and give it back its original color. Duplicate the first slide for a fourth slide and move it into the last slide. And for this time we're gonna expand the fourth image. So let's just crop it and then give it back its color from this color option. Now select all of them, put them into the middle of your slide. Duplicate the first slide again, put it into the last slide, and then now we're gonna drag the other images to the left. And for this last image, we're just gonna increase its size, and in crop options, just decrease the size of the image. Give it back its original color. Next, what we're gonna do is select all of them, putting them into the middle. Duplicate the first slide and then move it into the last slide. This time we don't have to customize it. Select all of your slides, go to transitions tab and then give it morph transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos and content like this. You can check out my Patreon and Pinterest link from the description, and this template is free to use. See you in another video soon.